to show you guys how to make IKEA bookshelves look like built-ins. So this is our space. We have a loft at the top of the stairs, and we've already built one of the IKEA Billy bookshelves. So come on over here, I'll show you. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the baseboard down here. We're going to raise these up, put the baseboard around them, and we're going to get two of these size. So we'll have two of these, a corner, a half one there, and then on this side we'll have the mirror image. We'll have the little half one, and then two full-size ones again. All raised up to the height of about 5 inches, which is the baseboard. And it actually should bring us to, I think it's right around here, so we don't worry about our vacuum. So let's get started. This is the IKEA desk that we're going to have here. It'll be like a little extra computer area. It's got a lovely fingerprint. I don't know who was touching it, but maybe the Jolly Green Giant was touching the glass.
Fingered.
Somebody gave us the finger. The first step on this project is to take off the baseboards and then relocate the outlets. That outlet is going to be hidden, but I needed another one for a keyboard, so I've moved it over to there. So I'll just gang those two together, and then I'll run one up into here and up to one above the unit. You can see the units are there, waiting to go in. And over here, took a big piece out of the wall. Same deal. There is the top outlet for the lights above the cabinets. And then down here, that outlet right there will be hidden behind the bookshelves. So I'm running a wire also over here and down here so the vacuum can be plugged in. Okay, to get the bookshelves the right height for the baseboard, we have to raise it exactly 1.5 inches and 7/8. So I've ripped some samples. They will become the base down here, all the way around, raising it up, and then this will be able to sit without covering the doors. Where they join at the L, right here, we're going to take a 4x4, going to stick it on top of the base, and I've cut a little groove out of it, and then we'll sand that smooth and it'll be painted to match the unit. I'll show you from behind here. Something like that, so it'll fit in there. Alright, keep going. Okay, the base will raise it up 1.5 inches here, that 2x4, and 7/8 right there. That'll give me just enough for the baseboard, as you can see. Make it look nicely built in. And inside, the only thing we have to fill in with a piece of wood is a tiny little gap right there. Walls are now mudded and smoothed, sanded down, are ready for the base. One of the problems we had to figure out was what to do about this little space here. When the baseboard goes on, you can see there's going to be a space because of the toe kick under here. So how we solve that? little piece of wood, cut 1 1/8 thick, just to fit in there. And when you close it, you won't see it. I'll show you on the other side. There you can see the space filled. And when you open it up, looks great. Give that a little coat of paint. Nobody will ever know. Baseboard is in, and it's looking pretty good. Putting a little mud to fill in the corners. And let's see what's going on up top. Up here I've put in a piece of wood and finished wiring the electrical box. Piece of wood will allow me to attach the crown molding to it, like that. Because of this annoying little space here, I had to rip some 2x4s, make myself a nice little piece right here. Put that one on top, everything's nice and smooth, and put on the crown. Alright, on to finishing the crown. And here we have the final product. Except for a little paint to touch up, our built-ins are done. Ikea bookshelves made to look like beautiful built-ins. There's that filled-in space. Lovely doors. Little computer desk. And the 4 IKEA lights that are controlled right here. So there you have it, folks. You can make your own beautiful looking built-in just like that. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. Subscribe. Check out some of my other projects, including my home theater projects, by following the link below.